You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name of Welsh origin correctly in English. It comes from Welsh, and it's usually in Welsh spelled with a double D at the end, which is pronounced like TH in English. So let's break it down. Gwyneth. Gwy, a short E sound, not gwy, not gwy, of course. Gwy. Neth. Neth. The stress is on the first syllable. Let's listen carefully one more time. Gwyneth. It's easy. Gwyneth. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. I think you did. Gwyneth. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.